that brings me to my next point, is that even though the lens is scratched on this, I still use this camera for B-roll footage because, some of the features are very relevant for planners and video blogging. It still gives an excellent quality when placed in natural sunlight. It has, okay, I just clicked myself off. Let me start from here. In natural sunlight, without showing someone's domicile, as you can see, the whole room is full of big picture windows like this, so when the light comes in and it's sunny outside, it's a great time for me to do some video blogging as well as some planner walkthrough. And I just announced this morning that I'm going to be doing some more live and local sessions that I have a webcam for. Let me switch back over to my Nikon Coolpix before the battery on this phone runs out and I find myself without power. But just to give you a heads up, I did bring some other things in the bag, and to let you know, I am seriously out of shape because I have not been on public transportation for so long, and during the winter season you can get a little bit, sedentary in your ways. So, before I let you go, this is the book that we're going to be reading to celebrate fatherhood. It's The Artisan Soul by Erwin Raphael McManus. I believe that's the way you pronounce it. I apologize, Mr. McManus, if I mispronounced your name. But it is a definite game changer in my life, and I look forward to blessing my pastors with this book because it's brought so much of an understanding concerning the arts from a word perspective, not just from a Christian perspective, but based on the word. So, of course, I'll link the Amazon Smile connection below. And also, if you want to pick up a copy for yourself, just let you know the affiliate link is for Resurrection Life Church. It benefits them and all the work that they're doing in Texas post-hurricane season. Alrighty, it's been such a joy being able to post something this afternoon, even though something went wrong with my tablet. And once again, this is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for toctown.com. Always feel free to comment, like, and definitely subscribe. And remember to hit the notification bell so that you know when my next live and local post will be up and published. Take care.